recording? You're recording. Just kidding. Okay, coming close. So this is the second part of our armature prep. We've marked the center hole by crossing up the corners, but we need to center punch that. And we probably should have done this with the base, the legs, stands, and the field magnet, but we didn't. What this does is make sure that where we start the drill is exactly centered. So I'm gonna point this, roll it up like this. I'm on a surface that has very high deflection. It bounces a lot. Hit it one time, and I've got my mark there for drilling. Put it in the vise, and we can use a hand drill for this. We're gonna be welding the axle into place. We wanna make sure we're using a 3/16 drill bit. And as far as the drilling goes, a lot of you are running the drill really fast, like wide open, and you're just burning the bit. So you can throttle this drill by running the speed about half throttle, and then you want to use a lot of downward pressure. This should center automatically, which is really nice. And I'm going to push down hard. So if you can come up here, I've got weight right here, and I'm pushing directly through. And also try and stay vertical. Push down hard. Come in really close on the bit here. You should see good chips coming out of there. Those flakes or chunks. And then just as it starts to get to the bottom, like right now, you want to lift up a little bit of pressure and let it finish, okay? Last part of this, you can follow me over to the belt sander. Okay, and come in close. CB, you'll appreciate this. This is mill scale, this dark gray coating, right? So this is formed when the metal is molten hot. We want to get rid of that because we're going to weld around this. And we want to radius these corners a little bit and soften the edges too. So we got a bunch of cleanup, but we wanted to wait to do that till after we used our mark. So I'm going to start this up. Okay, and just clear that mill scale off there. Radius the corners slightly. And same thing, this has got burrs on it from the drilling process. So I can go right on the edge here and get it prepped for welding. And now we are ready to weld our armature axle into place. See you.